just say you're there. I just say you're there. I just say you're there. Bounty killer, remember this.
Them go new tune. Who are them man them say six? Put up your answer. All them man them say six. Put up your answer. We're on top of six. Right now we are on top of six and murder them. You understand? Really stop. Shut down. Get them to see.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself. You know the trendy dance. Listen, so today we have a bag of things to talk about. But you know the thing go naturally. If you're new, just subscribe. You see it, the door is always open. Bang.
Them go new tune. Who are them man them say six? Put up your answer. All them man them say six. Put up your answer. We're on top of six. Right now we are on top of six and murder them. You understand? Really stop. Shut down. Get them to see them. What I do? Get them to see them. Right. Shut down. Shut down. Shut down. Shut down. Get them to see them. Never. Here I go.
Yeah, man, people, as you can see, JDF military, that, you see me? And right there, so look familiar, probably over camp, you see me? Kingston, you see me? But differently, the soldier, them have a vibe, dog. Man, even know I saw them believing, dog, you see me? I know that video kind of surprising to a lot of different people. You know the thing, go. Them have a good time more than we probably think, is it? Yeah, man, check your levels. Alright, so watch you now. The artist you know, you see him now, him name Quaiboss, people. Him drop a new song titled Dead Young. Check it out, it bad.
Oh, if you don't want get a youth rise, roll a 9 neck shot in your head side. One president never beg likes. Big up every youth that is stop.
Yo, you see that one here from it? Drop and I stop, repeat it and play it. I rate down here, people. I don't have nothing but down here, you see me? Title bad, everything about it bad. Short, music, but it just was, you see me? Yeah, man, it tough.
We no want dead young. Them say we have to turn thief and we are got dead young. Up in the beamer with the top chop. Just fuck a girl in her mouth. Me no use condom.
I don't know what about country hype rhythm. The man have some wicked rhythm over there, you know. Where the people, them just a mash up there. Them just a mash it up, you see it?
Tight jeans full of money and me matic chop down. Suck your mother, you're not better than none of my go. Dog a man.
Watch on people, you don't know the thing go. So you see, Squash Man, we are going to talk about him and him new song called Bandulu. You see me? So some video float go around on the internet. Not really say video, no. Me I go be more direct, you see me, people. So I say Alka Daily, you know, that a Alkaline fan page post say, yo, we catch them red-handed, you see it? Straight up. Yeah, man, the dog I said, bro, bought those views. Catch you red-handed on the last. Better not go sell bag juice. LOL on my end. But anyways, the man video left from 50k, 8k in 2 days to 302k in a said 2 day time, like 3 hours time. You see me, the song named Bandulu, you see me? That just fucking accurate, dog, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, dog, that you just give away yourself. It obvious this is Squash Man, you see it? Plus from the other day, I'm not really getting a bag of views on them something, you see me? But big up yourself, Squash Man, you see me? You don't know your thing set already, yeah. You make piece of food, you know? Yeah, somebody else turn, you know the thing go. You see me? You do it for the boat. Anyways, you know the thing go. The real, I go stay here. Squash go on easy work and work on something big. You see me? Now what I force it, yeah. Yeah, man, so the guitarist boss, yeah. Ashir, the guitarist. You see me? So that mash up a piece of the Alkaline now for like, you see me, people. I need to see that.
say me dream of a boss. So say me dream of a boss.
That's all him depend on people about how him trim of buzz and this and that. You see me, from what him trim, I know him feel away, you know, you see me. But that's how it go. You see me, Papi, you have to just work on it, you see me. Yeah. But you're going like a big idiot still more while I'm not in a lie, you see me. But I know why you have to go into that. But him have a song, like him have them same lyrics there night, you see me, so people can go check it out. Yeah.
I'm very happy to be. I spent my entire 20s having babies, nursing babies. Now it's my turn to nurse myself. Last comment. I'm Jamaican. I'm strong, I'm fast, and I'm resilient. Thank you.
Up top, so the girl named Ayesha Curry, is it? If you're not familiar with her, is it? That's, you don't know the basketballer, or the Steph Curry, is me? For him wife, that is me. So, but basically, I just find out, say, she a Jamaican, is it? I don't like me, I say it's surprising, because not really surprising nowadays, but that is just an example again of how much celebrity people in a spotlight out there where Jamaican are them nationality, is me? Yeah, man, you have to get up on your air game, man, peeps, you know the style, yeah.
Kill you! I just say you there! I just say you there! I just say you there! Bounty Killer, remember this!
Yeah, man, people, so the Bounty and the Beanie Man, Bounty versus Beanie Man clash on the Versus TV. Never normal, yo. But I know who miss it, but if you miss it, I'm sorry for you. Like myself, LOL. But anyways, we done see the full live clip and see everything. And yo, the thing of the whole place, how we people, me I tell you, you see me? But I know how walk on it, just have the place away from left, right, center, all about. I see people try push Jamaican thing. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, Bounty and Bean. You're not supposed to feel proud in yourself. I'm feel proud on it, to no lie. You see me, peeps. Yeah, man, if you agree, you don't know. Yeah, leave a comment down below. But at the end of the video, this so I go ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and share. You see me? Enough respect out.